Hello everyone, very nice to see you again. Welcome back to the second part of poster making. Students, poster, as I told you, is a different medium of presenting an idea. I mean, an information, or it may be giving some advertisements, maybe it is working like an invitation. Here we are going to learn the different things to remember while we make or design a poster. Things to remember. First, you have to understand a poster is a designed one. I mean, it should be in a box. First thing about poster making is very simple. It should be in a box. Second, make sure you double check for grammatical accuracy and spelling. They carry marks. Students often neglect grammatical areas, grammar, spelling, etc. But actually, you need to be very careful about while you are writing or designing these types of works. So, a double check is required for finding out the mistakes in grammar and spelling because they carry marks. So, grammatical accuracy and spelling. Third, practice previous year question paper or questions. You know, designing posters, designing a poster is a different task or a different art. Definitely, you will be more clear or thorough with what is poster making if you go through the previous year question papers. That is why this point is included. Practice previous year questions. Now some do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts means what you need to do, what you need not to do. What not to do, what to do. These two are very important. Make sure it fits within one page. Students have a habit of writing or designing these things according to their will. Okay, that is welcomed. But the problem is some writings need a specific page. Here the poster making demands a single page for the designing of that work. That means you yourself have to make sure that the poster that you are designing is fitting in one page. That is what is the meaning of this fits, okay, in one page. Again we go to the second do's here. Use sharpened pencils. You have to use pencils for drawing cartoons or pictures, etc. If that they are necessary. It's not compulsory or mandatory that you have to draw figures or give cartoons in poster. If they are required, definitely. But whenever you are drawing, pencils are to be used. In other cases, you can use pen, both blue or black. Ball pens can be used. Third point is bold or underline important information. Don't forget to bold the letters if they are looking or finding important, or underline important information. So when you design the poster, some important words or some important message such as login, title, attractions, different areas are there. If you want to project or if you need to give more importance to those, of course you need to either bold the letters or underline it. So this is very important. Now what not to do, don'ts. Of course you people need to be very careful about designing a poster, and you cannot draw or you cannot design or make a poster as you like. Therefore, what all things you should not use in making posters? No usage of short forms or slangs. No usage of short forms or slangs means short forms are not required. If you write anything, write complete sense or complete words or phrases or sentences. It is not acceptable. Okay, do not exceed the prescribed word limit. This is very important. You have to design a poster within 50 words. Maximum word limit of a poster is 50 words, not more than that. It doesn't mean that you have to complete 50 words or you have to design the poster in 50 words. No, if you are able to complete the poster in 10 words, 15 words, 20 words, that's all. But that poster should convey the exact message or information to the public according to the interest of the public. That's all. It doesn't mean that all 50 words you need to, also unwanted words also you will use in posters. They are not necessary. So what all things are asked to do in a poster, asked to give in a poster, are used according to their need. Doesn't mean that all those areas are to be placed in one poster that is asked in question. What is demanded according to the question? Okay, you have to write or decide. Marking scheme. Of course, I am giving 4 marks. This time you get 4 marks. In the coming examination, of course, you can expect a poster making on any topic. Okay. Break up 4 marks for poster making as per sample paper 2018-19. But after that we didn't have any exam. That's why I did not prefer the papers of the recent examinations. Format, title, name of the issuing authority. This is very important. Title, issuing authority, all these things should be of 1 mark. Content carries 2 marks and 1 mark is for expression and grammatical accuracy, spelling and creativity. So don't forget that. So don't misunderstand that you get the maximum mark if you design in any way you like. It's not like that. You cannot get the complete mark as you like or as you expect. The mark or the entire mark is again divided into 3 here according to this format, then content, then expression and grammatical accuracies. Total 4 marks you get. If all these areas are up to the mark, okay, perfect, you are eligible to get the complete mark. But this is language, you have to understand, you should be very careful about that. There are 2 types of posters, I told you, educational and cultural. This is one of the examples of educational poster. Educational posters are related to education and educational matters. It can be related to the school affairs or school matters or education of a college, any it is. So what is the question here? Design a poster for your school fete. You may use slogans. Do not exceed 50 words. Already I have given this question in the class and also you solved it. So you see the sample. You have already solved it and done it. See what is the designing? Fate. The title message. Organized by St. John School, Agra. But in class we started with the St. Joseph School. Okay. Or our school's name added first. Doesn't mean that. It doesn't mean that you are placing these things in different areas. It's up to you only. But those information should be placed in the right area. That's all. Or in the order. That's all. It doesn't mean that if you write the word fate at the end of next or below the name of the school, it is wrong. No, it's not like that. That's right. Okay. But that should be clearly giving meaning to the reader, the public. See, in aid of earthquake victims on Sunday, the 2nd March 2021 from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. See how they are arranging these words. They are not writing just like a sentence, like in a paragraph, but they are dividing the words in different ways and placing in different places and giving an attraction to the public. School campus, a day of fun and frolic. And attractions are given here. Fancy dress, gymnastics, merry-go-rounds, snack stalls, gun contests, electronic games, lucky draw. This is some attraction. So given in box. So it's up to you how you design this. Okay. It doesn't mean they have to use color pencils, color etc. In the examination, color pencils, color things cannot be used. Only pencil and pen are supposed to be used. See, this is a sample work. Okay, sample example for a very good poster. One more is there. This is about school library on the value of books and good reading habits. See how this is designed. Books are best friends. A caption. Then description about books: inform, instruct, delight, enrich. Then again a quote: take a book a day, don't delay. Then a picture: your school library has 10,000 books. So you're giving information to the people, I mean the students of the school, regarding the books and the value of books and the need of improving the reading habits. So this is another example for another type of poster. This is also educational. Dear students, the first type of posters are explained here with two examples. A question I give you, you can just look at it. As the manager of Excellent Coaching Center run by you, prepare a poster calling the attention of students desirous of attending HT CPMT coaching to join your coaching center. This is a sample poster. This is a question for making a sample poster. You just look at the question and please try making a poster with the same question. So, dear students, I hope you have noticed, you have gone through this question and taken down this question in the book you have, and try to solve it yourself at home. And the next part of this explanation, or next part of the explanation of poster making, will be about cultural posters. Dear students, we will go with that part in the next part of the video, that is in the next class or in the next session. So dear students, hereby I would like to stop today's explanation of chapter poster. Until we meet in the next session, in the third video, I am Santosh, your English teacher, signing off. Take care. Have a wonderful day.